copy trades from Memecoin Millionaires. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about our copy trades feature in GMGN over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to locate specific meme coins or specific wallets right now that are currently millionaires or have a really high percentage of success. So for example, we could check out one of these options over here. For example, this wallet over here, you could see their win rate, there's percentage. You could even see the activity over here on what is happening, what they're doing with their wallet, and you could see their income and so on and so forth. So you could see or check out all of those details on their profile over here. And if you really like their wallet or the performance of their wallet, you can simply click on copy trade over here, which will automatically copy their wallet address. And then you could put here your amount over here, the buy target amount, as you can see. You could also choose between buy amount or max buy amount or fixed buy amount option over here. And you could choose your sell methods over here. So there are different sell methods that you could choose from: auto sell, not sell, customized TP, and SL. After that, you can just simply click on confirm over here, which will begin your copy trading process. Now you could also check out over here. So if we go to copy trading, aside from our list over here, if you found a wallet outside of this list, you can also click on create copy trade over here on the top right, and you can simply copy and paste the wallet address that you have found. And same thing, select or input the necessary information allowed here and simply click on begin, allowing you to begin your copy trading. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.